Everyone is destined to wake up sooner or later. Everyone has to wake up. Nobody can make any kind of excuses to wake up. So when I say wake up, you have to understand that I'm talking about some kind of divine wake up and some kind of sleep. Not the sleep that you sleep every day, every night, and you wake up every morning. Not that sleep or not that awaken. I'm talking about something else which is beyond your imagination, is beyond your thought, beyond your body. So when I say everyone is destined to wake up, so I mean for it, right? I say everyone is destined to wake up sooner or later. There is no any chance of staying asleep. Okay, if you sleep, how long can a person keep sleeping? How long will a person be sleeping? He'll obviously get tired of sleeping, right? Of course he'll get rid of sleeping. So he has to wait. But this sleep, you are from many millennia, you are in this very deep sleep. Many years, many lifetimes you are in this deep sleep. But sleep is not your destiny. Everyone is destined to wake up. Just the difference is sooner or later that you choose. And some people are given sleeping pills. They don't want to wake up. They enjoy their sleeping. Forcefully they are sleeping, some people. And once in a millennia, once in a century, a person comes and says, "Hey, you all are sleeping." But sleeping is not your destiny. Your destiny is wake up. So once in a millennia such person comes. So if somebody is given sleeping tablets, so he needs a doctor, right? He needs a doctor, obviously. And the doctor treats him in the same way. In the spiritual world, those doctors are known as guru, teacher, master, spiritual master. Those doctors who awake you. But some people, they don't want to wake up. They're enjoying their sleep, right? In the morning, when you get up, putting alarm, the alarm rings. After, what happens after the alarm rings? Your sleep is trying to break and you wake up. And you wake up and but some people even dare to turn off that alarm, shut that alarm, they get angry upon that alarm clock and even throw that alarm clock somewhere, right? So this is what happens with many spiritual masters. From the past you see to present. So let me take you 5,000 years ago. Krishna, he told to the Kauravas, the war is not the solution. Peace is the solution. But the Kauravas didn't agree. Krishna acted as guru to wake them up from their deep sleep of ignorance. But they ignored Krishna, even tried to jail him in Hastinapur. This has happened in history. What happened to Buddha? Buddha said, "You are all sleeping." People wanted to kill him. They got angry on him. This happened to everyone. All the spiritual teachers, they have faced these kind of challenges. Whoever said that you are in deep sleep, they have faced such kind of challenges. Shankaracharya, Jesus, take the life of Jesus. He was hanged. Can you imagine somebody makes a hole on your hand using a nail like they use hammer on your hand, which we use on woods. Can you imagine this to yourself? But this has been the destiny of spiritual teachers, those who have awakened from the deep, enormous sleep they have. This has been the destiny of them. Mahabir, he was beaten so badly by a person because he didn't take care of his cattle when he has gone out. This has happened. So many challenges they have faced. Shankaracharya, he has to argue with so many people. Ramanujacharya, he has done so. Meera, Kabir, all these great personalities, they have faced a lot of kind of challenges in their lives, right? Because they woke up, and the place where 99% of people are blind, and 99 people are blind, and you go there once and you talk about vision, you talk about light. Who has never seen the light, spreading light over the, and who has only experienced the darkness. If you talk about light, this happens, then what will be your destiny? The blinds will kill you if you go there in the world of blinds. There are 100 blind people and you go there, and they are gonna kill you, right? This has happened. This has happened in life of almost all the spiritual masters who has tried to awake people. When they lived, people were trying to kill them. They were enemies, and now they are being Sai Baba, Shirdi Sai Baba. You have heard his name. People, there were so many enemies of Sai Baba. This has happened in this world. Yeah, so many haters were there. And what they said, they just said that the things you are experiencing right now is not the truth. Something is there beyond these limits. You can cross all the limitations of your body, of your mind, of your heart, of your emotion. You cross all these limitations and you go to the stage where there is no limit, limitless. The sky might have limit, but you don't have any limit. They said this, the spiritual masters, and of these words, the whole world has been enemy just for saying this. So many spiritual masters. Acharya Rajneesh, the most controversial man in the history, he said, just wake up, be aware. Be aware that you are eating, be aware you are sleeping, be aware of your actions, be aware of your thoughts, be aware of your emotions, and you reach the goal where there is nothingness, no thoughts, no emotions. You don't even feel the body, he said that. Another Jagat Guru Kripaluji Maharaj, he said, wake up. He said he often used to quote from the Shastra, from the scriptures, Uttishtata, Jagrata, Prapya Varan Nivodhata. Get up, rise up, be awake, and go to that which is immortal, which is never dying, never changing. All the spiritual masters have said, you are not this body. Why? Because it's always changing. You are alive, that means you are changing. Each and every moment you are changing. Or else the moment you stop changing, you die. Right? After you die, nothing changes. But unless from the very day of your birth to the last day, until your last breath, you are destined to change. Change is your real nature. You have to change, and this change is kinda good. You have to change. But while changing, you have to find that which is not changing, never changing. The thing which is never changing, you'll have to find such thing. This is the essence of all the spiritual teachings. And the one who is strong enough to doubt the existence of God, doubt the existence of yourself, the one who are brave enough to question the existence of everything, who are doubtful enough, they are the one, they'll awake fast. And those who don't doubt and they keep sitting by believing, okay, I believe there is Krishna, I believe Jesus, I believe Allah, I believe blah blah blah, they'll not wake up soon. That is another kind of disease. Believe is another kind of disease in spirituality. But doubtfulness, that's like medicine. Experiment is medicine. You experiment, you try new things in spiritual. It's not that you take the same spiritual method and you go on your whole life, no changes you'll see, and you'll die without any changes. Just try few kind of spiritual practice. Whoever gives you, try them. If it doesn't work within 1 week, 2 weeks, or let's say about a month, if it doesn't work, you leave that, you go for another process of spirituality. Because you should know that you are progressing, right? You should know you are progressing. But if you don't know you are progressing, then you just 20 years ago you started your spiritual journey, and after 20 years there are so many cases that they have degraded, or even they have where they were, they are still at the same place, no any change. Yeah, the outer change maybe. Before they used to wear t-shirts and pants, now they wear dhotis and all traditional dresses. But dress is just dress, outfit. Outfit doesn't matter in spirituality. You have to question, you have to doubt your existence. You have to doubt the existence of Krishna. If you are a Krishna Bhakti, you have to doubt the existence of Shiva. Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita that we are not this body, we are the soul. Yeah, maybe he told his own experience, but you have to doubt this and you have to find your own soul. It's not that Krishna found his soul, then he will take you to liberation. No, that's not. You have to find your own soul. You have to find the real self, who you are. You have to do it. Nobody else can do it for you. And you think just your guru will wake you up, you go into the shelter of a guru. Guru just works like an alarm clock, nothing else. Many people need alarm to wake up, but many don't, right? So those who don't have guru, but they have crossed all the limits of spirituality, they have gone beyond all the limitations in the spiritual world, they have attained the highest, which has not been attained by the people, those who have accepted Guru. So you have to question all this existence. You have to question all this. Some people say Guru is a must need. Yeah, if you think alarm is a must need for waking up, you accept a Guru. But after you accept, you even dare, Guru tries to wake you up and you even dare to shut him up. Yeah? Question if that, no, I don't want to wake up, then you then again go back to sleep. So like this, you'll not wake up soon. But you have to wake up sooner or later, because everyone, each and every creature created, not created, only body is created. That should not be. So each and every being is destined to wake up sooner or later. You can't change it, Just be doubtful. Just be aware of things going on here and there. Don't get too attached to it. You practice it for a few days and you see who the real self is. You're situated in the center of creation, of center of being aware, center of being you. And one stage will come such that you are also not there. You have also been completed. Nothing is there. Only nothingness, complete nothingness is there. And after that, wherever you go, you'll just be a seer. And you don't get involved into any kind of actions, any kind of karma. Where in Gita, Krishna says about akarma. Yeah, that stage you'll reach. And there are many methods to reach that. You take one, you start one at least. You don't have to be a believer of God to start. And I'll say don't believe. Don't believe. Because belief system, that's a trap. That's a trap. Mind's trap. Belief system is only a mind's trap. Because such people will come into your lives that they'll make you believe so many things which are in actual not true. They'll make you believe these all things. These all certain kind of stupid things. They'll force you to believe, compel you to believe. But the belief system, it's just a trap. So you doubt your existence, you question what happened, who said the earth revolves around the sun. Before 15th century, everyone believed that sun revolves around the earth, right? But Galileo, he has enough guts, he had enough courage to say that no, you people are wrong, Bible is wrong. And he questioned, and he said, see, I can show you that the sun does not revolve around the earth. The earth instead revolves around the sun. He questioned, and what happened? What happened to him? He was killed, all the people. But now see, he has become immortal now. Everybody knows him because he has given something. So if you can sacrifice your life by finding the truth, seeking for the truth, everything will come to you. This is the essence of all the kinds of spiritual things, spiritual journey. So you just start from wherever you want, you just start, okay? That's all. Thank you so much.